Good morning to all you. More than 1,000 years ago, on our earth, some animals lived. They were different kinds of nowadays animals. Do you know that is? Yes? Anyone know about the names of that animals? Yes, please. Like dinosaurs, mammoths, gorillas, big turtles, cobras, snakes, different type of that is died in a big storms, in earthquake, and some is were pressed under the earth. So today we have learned about this type of lesson, which is related of the endangered animals and extinct animals. Okay, so let us start. This is subject of the English and unit 3, page number 54, lesson number 5, endangered and extinct animals. Now endangered animals means that is a few animals, that types of the few animals left now on earth. Got it? Good. Let us start. Hi friends, I am a Timba. I am a Bengal tiger cub. Here is a one cub's picture and this is a Bengal tiger's cub. I study in the class 2 in a forest school. He is studying in a class 2 and also he study in a forest school. I have to do a show and tell the project on extinct and the endangered animals in class tomorrow. Mom helped me prepare the project. When we were making a project, I learned many new things. I want to share some of them with you. See this is a Timba and he is a Bengal tiger cub and he is studying in class 2 in forest school. But now his teacher give him one project and he is doing that with his mother. Okay, you also doing this like a project. I will give you after finish the lesson. Okay, extinct animals means when a type of animals or the plant dies completely, that is not on earth. And endangered animals means that is a few animals, that types of the few animals left now on earth. Got it? Good. There are many types of animals on the earth. But do you know that many of these are extinct? When an entire type of the animals dies out of that, the animal is said to be extinct. Once it becomes extinct, it is gone forever. Some extinct animals and birds are like dodos. Dodos means, see, they are given to picture here, dodos. Do you see? Yes, this type of dodo. Okay, dodos, these birds lived many years ago. They look like a pigeon. You know pigeon? Yes, you have seen nowadays of pigeons. They same like that, dodos looking. Man hunted them for a food. Although dodos were birds, they could not fly, so they could not fly away to save themselves. They could not fly, so that's why the animals killed them for a food, and that's why they are not nowadays. So they could not fly away, save themselves. Slowly they died out. Then what's going after? That all types of birds is completely finished. So that's why we have asking them extinct animals or birds in a name of dodos. Okay. This picture do you know? Very known. Very good known. Yes, na? Yes. Which is the picture is this? Dinosaur. Only this type of dinosaur is that time. Do you see in the movies? No. That type of that time the different types of the dinosaurs. Okay. Now let us we have study about it. Dinosaurs, don't they look like big terrible lizards? Well, their name means is exactly that, the terrible lizards. They lived all over the world. Even in India, many years ago, nobody knows why they became extinct. Mom says maybe a big earthquake killed all the dinosaurs. Means in earthquake time, the pressed were under the lands. So dinosaur dislike is maybe finished. See this one another picture of animals that times. This we have called a woolly mammoths. Woolly mammoths means this look like a elephant, but they have more woolly fur in their on full of body to get the warm in when the ice melted and ice places. Okay, let us see we have study about it. Woolly mammoths look like elephants. They lived many years ago when the earth was full of the ice and snow. That time they lived. So they had a thick woolen coat to protect them. Soon the earth became warmer and the ice melted, but the woolly mammoths could not take off their coat. It was a fix of their body, so they died from the heat. Do you understand what is a woolly mammoths? Woolly mammoths look like a elephant and they live in a many years ago in a ice and snow when the earth was full of ice and snow. So they had a thick woolen coat to protect them. This is their own body, is a natural. The mammoths could not take off their own coat. So it was the fix of their body. So they died from the heat. Do you understand? Good, very good. All that is a extinct animals or birds. Which one is study now? Yes, dodos, then dinosaurs, then woolly mammoths. Yes, na? Yes. Good, very good. Now let me tell you about the endangered animal. When there are very few animals of type left, they are called the endangered. Endangered animals now they are have, but that is a very few types. Few types of them live in our earth. All is a left. Okay. Do you understand it? Yes, very good. See, who is this? Whose picture this first is? Do you know about that? Yes, gorillas. This all is a gorillas. But now what type of the gorillas and where they are now? We have study about it. Okay. Mountain gorillas. Very few mountain gorillas are left on the earth. They are endangered because the humans have cut down the forest which is their home. They also die of diseases. You know about that? The man is cut the tree and forest also. That's why the some of animals is died for different type of diseases. Same like of here the mountain gorillas, that is now a very few left in our earth, and some of the died in a different type of diseases. Okay. Ask me, what is the meaning of diseases, teacher? Diseases means a different type of illness. Okay, good. This one another picture, and that is living in on earth also and in under the water. That is a turtle. Yes, sea turtles. And that also now a very few left in our earth. Now let us study about it. Okay. Let us see. Sea turtles. They are killed for their eggs, skin and shell. Do you know that the plastic that human throws in the sea harms them? Is the very bad manners, yes na? We have throw the plastics and any plastics things and polythene carry bags that we have throw in the rivers and also sea. That is very harmful for in a river and seas animals, yes na, or also fish. That like say this reason is killed for the eggs, skin and shell the turtles. How do you I know you asking me how is it possible? Let us see. They think of the plastic as a food and try to eat it. That animals and fish also think that plastics things that is a food of theirs and so they try to eat it. This makes them sick and they died. Friends, please throw the plastic waste only in a bins. Listen this carefully sentences. Friends, please throw plastic waste only in a bins. It's a good manners and we have keep the our animals life. Yes na? Yes, very good. Let us see. This is a Bengal tiger. This is Bengal tigers now a very few in our earth. Yes. How? Let us see. Bengal tigers. I was shocked when mom said we are also endangered. The Timba's mother said to Timba they are endangered. How we became the endangered? Because some bad people hunt us for our skin. But the good news is it that now the numbers have increased. 10 years ago there were only 700 of us. Now there are 2500 tigers. Yahoo! Mom says good people help to save us. Thanks, friend. Do you know we have saved what we have learned this in lesson? Do you know we have saved our animals' life? They are very useful for us. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Do you understand this lesson? Do you enjoy this lesson? Yes, very nice. Thank you.